Hello students, in the previous class we have already begun to discuss about the principles of adult learning. In this class also we are continuing on discussion about the principles of adult learning. As we already know, adults are having a rich life experience and their own wealth of knowledge. They expect them to treat as adults, not as like children. They are not grown children. They need problem-centered approach in any learning process. They have much more interest in participatory learning process. They have preconceptions. They have developed their own values, their own opinions, because they have from different life background as well as life experience. In this class, we are discussing about another three principles of adult learning, that are adults have pride, adults have a deep need to be self-directed, individual differences among people increase with age. These are the three principles which we are going to discussing in this class. Adults have pride. Adults have pride because they have already developed some sorts of information, knowledge and very rich experiences in life matters. They have participated in various or different activities in their own day-to-day life, and they are successful in their life. Because of these, these adult learners have a prideness in their personality. We have to identify that the adults have prideness because of their experience, because of their knowledge, etc. This is the fourth principle of adult learning. Being a social worker, we have to participate in literacy improvement programs or illiteracy eradication programs. In that programs, we need to have the participation of adult learners. When we are working with adult learners, we have to keep in our mind that adults have pride because of their rich life experience. They have their own knowledge. They have their own opinions towards the situation, conditions, because whatever the new things comes to them, they are always compared to their previous experience, previous knowledge, and they are come out with the best information, best results also. Because of that, adult learners have pride. Fifth one is, adults have a deep need to be self-directing. When we are working with the adult learners, we have to know about that. Adults are not like that. The children, teachers are directing the children to what to do, what not to do. But adult learners are not indulging in these kind of activities. They profoundly think that they have to self-directed. Whatever the things, whatever the activities, whatever the assignments which is assigned to them, but external assistance is some sort is inevitable. But indeed, adults are always need to be think or having a sense of self-directing. These are the things we have to keep in our mind while working with our adult learners. Adults always think that they have to direct self only. Self-knowledge makes them to feel pride because of their experience, because of their knowledge or wealth of knowledge. Then somehow with some of the instances, there must not be a well-acquainted teacher as in par with adult learners. We have to take, we have to receive from adult learners also. In the process of learning, we need to participate with adult learners, then adult make them feel their learning process is self-directing. There is no external involvement. Only external assistance is happening in their learning process. We have to make them adults to feel they are self-directed. Lastly, individual differences among people increase with age. When a person is grown from childhood to adulthood, he has developed his own perception, he has developed his own preconceptions towards the conditions, situations or persons. When the group of people coming from the different backgrounds, there must be a differences of opinions, because the age factor makes them to they are not supposed to come to a conclusion, because there must be a variety of difference of opinions because of their life experiences. We have to admit that each and every person has his own background. Because of his background or back life experiences, there must be a difference of opinion among the people, why the increase of the age may be upgraded or increases. These are the things we have to keep in our mind while working with the adult people or adult learners. These are the principles of adult learning. In this class, we have discussed about the 3 principles. First one is adults have their own prideness in their personality. Adults needs to be always self-directed in the learning process. Lastly, individual differences is more because of the age factor or life experiences. Hope you understand properly. Thank you.